Well, with all the windstorms that we've had as of late, part of a tree fell down here in my yard. So today's project is going to be trying to figure out how to cut this thing up. It's not totally huge, but it's big enough. Let's see here. This is what I'm going to be working against today. It is the highest peak, probably, I don't know, 15, 16 feet high. And then it goes back along the thing here. This is going to be my next project here, but yeah, it's pretty big. It's going to be a pain in the butt. Oh, geez. All right, here we go. They look like little piles, but they're each about as long as I am, and I'm still made no progress with this at all. This sucks. It really does. So I have a third pile started, and this one's grown bigger, and not much more progress. I've been at it over an hour. Had to take a break. That tree's bigger than I thought it was. It's gonna take a while. Compared to where I started, you can tell that I did get some of that done. There's several piles of wood down there too. Well, I think I'm done for the day. Yeah, I don't want to end up hurting myself and all that good stuff. And I got a lot, as you see. I got piles upon piles upon piles, piles, more piles. And I think next time I do this, I'm gonna get my chainsaw out, because this is a little bit fatter than, some of this wood was a lot thicker than I thought it was gonna be in comparison. So yeah, I think we'll just get a chainsaw and make it a little bit faster. If you can see before, a lot of that tree is gone. It's in piles over there. Today's Earth Day. Happy Earth Day. I spent my day cutting up that tree. Poor thing. My back hurts. Oh, it hurts. Oh, yeah, it hurts a lot. So the other day I was cutting up that tree, and my cousin came over with a chainsaw, which made here's my piles, and then the rest of the tree. It's all cleaned up now.